Hello guys, this video, Lord Bills versus Broly. Who's gonna be win? I'm sure Lord Bills win. He's the god of destruction, nothing gonna stop Lord Bills in. He's strong, he's god, his level is 610 level, god think, I think Lord Bills level is, what is that, 10 level of God. And Broly has 8 billion level. Pero I choose Lord Beast. He's strong and he's lost the Gotenks. He's three clap for his butt and he's down Gotenks. And he's lost the mistake Gohan. I sure Lord Beast win. And Broly lost the 5 Saiyan. Gohan, Trunks, Vegeta, Piccolo, and Goku. He's lost pero sure Lord Bills win in Goku defeated Broly in his power punch in her stomach and he's killed. In second coming of Broly, he's lost again. He's defeated Goten, and Gohan and Goku. In this three is Kamehameha and in Broly plan to go to Sun, he's killed. I sure in Lord Bills lost defeated Lord Broly because she's stronger. He's lost Super Saiyan God Goku. And he's just eviler. I'm sure Lord Bills win. Goodbye bye guys. Lord Bills.